Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play a wizard in Baldur's Gate 3. Wizards are masters of arcane magic, capable of unleashing devastating spells or controlling the flow of combat. Your primary ability is intelligence, which directly impacts your spell effectiveness, including how often your spells hit and how difficult they are for enemies to resist. They are versatile and can adapt to many situations, making them a fantastic choice for any party. Mastering your spellbook is key to a powerful wizard. You can prepare a selection of spells from your entire learned repertoire, letting you adapt to various challenges. A unique feature, Arcane Recovery, allows you to regain some expended spell slots once per long rest, giving you more magical staying power. Remember, you can also expand your spell list by transcribing new spells from scrolls you find for a small gold cost. At level 2, you'll choose a subclass, significantly shaping your wizard's playstyle. For example, Abjuration wizards become more resilient, gaining a protective ward that absorbs incoming damage. Evocation wizards are masters of destructive magic, able to cast powerful area of effect spells without harming their allies. Divination wizards can foresee and manipulate fate, using portent dice to alter the outcome of important rolls for themselves or others. When equipping your wizard, always prioritize items that boost your intelligence score or enhance your spell attack rolls and spell save difficulty class. For feats, Warcaster is excellent, providing advantage on concentration saving throws, helping you maintain powerful ongoing spells. Another strong choice is Alertness, which grants a significant +5 bonus to your initiative, ensuring you often act first in combat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.